Mama. Mama.
Who dares to say cats can't talk
Mama.
now? This is no longer just a cat. This is an official roommate.
What are you doing? What are you doing, miss? Excuse me. Ma'am. Yes, hello? What are you doing? Hi.
This stray cat is on another level. No
Why?
more meowing. It's straight up saying hi now.
What, Lulu? Yeah?
Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist blank? I think I was supposed to sing that, but what can you not resist? Okay, yeah. Validation from internet strangers. That explains a lot.
How am I supposed to get anything done when I have this thing living in my house? All I want to do is look at you and kiss your face.
This cat is so energetic and entertaining, bringing laughter to the whole family. Today it says no. Tomorrow it might be filing a complaint. Mama cat saying, "Hold still, kiddo. Gotta make you look perfect." Maybe the orange cat is jealous because the kitten is getting all the cuddles.
Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good girl.
Having a
Ready to get
cat
up?
that understands you and can talk is truly a
birds to
dream
chase.
come true.
Yeah?
You. What? What? What are you doing?
This is peak relaxation level. Lying down, wagging the tail, and loving life. This must be the favorite game of this little orange kitten. Tell me, what did you hear? Kittens prove that happiness can be small, but absolutely priceless.
What are you doing? Oh my god, get out! Get out of there. Come on. Mac, please. Come on.
Yeah? What do you think? It's getting rid of your tinkles. Yeah.
Full of energy. This kitten loves its carrots so much, it plays non-stop.
Finally caught proof of the monster under my bed.
If you haven't understood the definition of cuteness yet, just watch this moment.
C'è,
This cat must know at
Wonder
least
Woman.
3 languages, including cat
păi și
language.
mergi singură. Eu n-am voie să vină.
Susie.
When cats stop meowing and start communicating like humans,
Chunk, what do you want?
today it understands
What do you want?
English.
Show me.
Tomorrow it
Where
might
is
be
it?
attending an international
Oh, yeah?
conference.
Is that what you want? Yeah? That's what you want? Oh.
So relaxed, little one. This pose probably means they're dreaming of fish and milk.
Друзья, у меня растет футболист, и я этому не рада.
Absolute trust and relaxation signal. This kitten is truly happy and safe with its owner. Think about this moment. Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.
Are you gonna get up?
Oh no, thank you. I'm snoozing.
But it's 10 o'clock.
I actually don't care what time it is. I've had a crazy week.
Which moment of these kittens did you love the most? Let me know in the comments. Both are males, but it seems this time the orange cat looks more powerful than the owner. See the pattern. It seems like the yellow cat has ended up in the wrong gangster's house.
Why are your ears like that?
صباح الخير. كيف الحال؟ نمت زين؟ تحبني ولا مو بمرة؟
It's that time.
Did I just see kittens enjoying a bath? This must be the rarest sight ever.
I no longer wish to adult. From now on, I shall remain a cozy burrito. If you need me, I will be in my fluff tortilla.
The kitten is showing off its cute pink paws. Simply irresistible.
Are you hungry?
Cat. Yes, I'm really hungry now.
Now watch me whip. Kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip. Kill it. Watch me nay nay.
Merv. Merv, your bath is ready. Merv, you're stinky. It's been weeks. Smell your toe beans.
Apples, pears,
We're getting closer
bananas,
to the bilingual cat.
carrots, chicken.
Humans have language, cats have rules. One of them is ignore when necessary.
Cepat balik. Nggak mau. Ayo balik cepet.
When you're chilling outside and your boss suddenly calls you back, painful. Can anyone translate what this cat is saying for me? So adorable falling asleep. Those curled ears make the kitten even cuter.